Sir, good morning. Myself Amit Tiwari from Ice Make Refrigeration, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Sir, basically we are the manufacturer of reefer container as well as we have taken the refrigeration system from Carrier, and now we are going demonstration of this vehicle. And this is basically the GRP container. GRP means glass reinforcement plastic. I'm giving the demonstration of reefer van. Firstly, we have to start from the door opening. This one is the first open, so we have to open the door first this type. So firstly we have to remove this lock from like that and open the handle like that. Firstly you have to open the door, and you should to be door at flap with this side door, and we have one more locking provision of door during the traveling. So we have put the chain like that. Right, this is the door lock, and at the time of transportation, door will not move from side. So after that we have to open second door, same like that. This is the for locking. So we have removed like that, open the door, and again same like that we have to.
So this one has to always be latched when you open it. This has to always be locked here.
Yeah. Once you have opened, then this is to lock.
Yeah.
And you can remove the chain and
Correct.
put into this side.
Okay.
This is the condition when you have opened both doors and vehicle should be under movement. Then it should be locked, because the door is not like that.
Secured.
And it can be make an accident once door will be under this condition.
ठीक है.
And once you have to close the door, you have to complete check either this cam lock will be inside of that, same like that. You should to be check once close the container, and this very smoothly you have to put the handle like that and close this, make a lock, same like that. Firstly I will like how to close. One people please come. How to lock the door from this side, same like that. You have to increase like that, you have to remove this chain, and again you have to close the door. Okay, you have to remove from there, and you have to check this point. Firstly push smoothly, then you have to complete close the door like that, close like that. And seal room. This is the aluminum T section. It is the very good for air rotation and cooling property. So let's enter in the room. This is the curtain. Curtain is basically protect the air transfer from room to outside. Please come, sir. And this one is the drainage, sir. This is the drainage point. Once you have cleaned the container, then you have to open the drainage from outside, and all the waters will go through it here. This is the drainage. Okay, and opening and closing of drainage will be happen from outside of the container. We have provided a valve. Then this is the LED light. It is operated from cabin side. At the time when you are need to be light at here, you can operate from cabin side. We will show. Okay, sir. Let's go. This is the opening and closing of drainage. This is the valve. Now it is closed condition. If you have washing the container, then you can open like that. Then all the water from inside of the container will remove and clean. Once you have complete the cleaning process, you have to close this valve like that, so that it prevent the air from inside of the container and make better cooling inside of the container. And next one is from cabin side. As we have show all of you guys at internal light from inside of the container. This is the button. Once you will pick up, then light will be open, but at that time your ignition should be on.
Okay.
Once ignition should be on, then it will be functions, light close, light open.
Okay.
This is the basic how you can demonstrate, how can you use this container. And next one is you have to taken care of this container like that. This is the bolts. This is the bolts from connecting to subframe and chassis, and this is the bolt connecting to subframe to body. Then you have to check regularly after 2000 kilometer, 1500 kilometers. Regularly you have to check the bolts, either it is loose or it is okay. If it is loose, then you have to proper check and tight the same. This is only one or two preventive action should be taken in this container. Otherwise, no any thing should be care. Only the bolts and lock cock. This is the very important. All the drainage should be closed under using condition. Like same like that.
So this is currently closed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the temperature will transfer from inside of the outside throughout this. And then it will be a problem for cooling effect. It can affect the cooling.
All right.
This is the very important.
Thank-
Additional, this is the emergency window. Once any people will inside of the container and door have closed, then he can open the emergency window like that. Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, this is emergency window. Once the people is available inside of the container and the boat door have closed, then at that time he can use this window as an emergency. Like this one is locking time. Once you have tried to open, then remove and like that.
Yeah.
This is the little bit tight because of the air.
Yes.
You have to complete a seal with rubber so that air cannot transfer from inside to outside. That's only reason to a little bit tight here. Okay.